We're getting all slimy. We're getting all slimy. Yeah. Yeah. We look like pumpkins.
We do.
Yes.
Yeah, you definitely have some pumpkin hands there, don't you?
You're there I'm the ghost and you're not a ghost. These look like spider webs in here, Mom.
They do, don't they?
We're making spider webs. Try that.
Like this?
No, like this. Oh, slimy. You were all fun.
You look like you're having fun.
Can you do it too? Whoa. Holy macaroni. What was this? What was this?
I think that looks like from your other jack-o'-lantern that you made. Is that the mouth or the nose?
Oh no. Oh, it's warmy. Now we can put the candle in.
Did you get all the seeds out?
Yeah. It's getting all dribbly. Getting all full. This looks like fun. I'm having fun too. We'll put holes in these. That looks like a ghost hole. I'm making glass. Big little seeds. Little bit seeds. Oh, now we can mix it together. Mixing it. Can you mix it with me?
I'm watching you mix it. What are you mixing?
The seeds.
The seeds? What are you making with them?
Hot chocolate.
You are?
Yeah. We're gonna eat them. It's not ready yet.
It's not.
No. I'm mixing it up so it can be ready.
Okay, when will it be ready?
5 minutes.
Is it ready yet?
No.
Is it ready yet?
No.
Is it ready now?
No.
How about now?
No.
You're a super mixer, Mia.
Oopsies. Oopsies. I didn't put it in the oven soon. And then you came up. Then I'll mix it again. Then I'll make breakfast again. Okay, Mom?
Okay, Mia.
I'll make this a pumpkin. And then I'll cook it again. Okay, Mom?
Okay, Mia.
Oh, we eat that seed. Now I'm serving it. Can you serve with me, Mom?
Oh, we're gonna go inside and rinse it off, but I'm gonna make sure that we get all the seeds out first. Why don't we finish our jack-o'-lanterns, okay? Before we do the seeds inside. Capiche?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm still making it.
Okay, you can mix it and I'll get the rest of the seeds out.
Okay.